to get you here quickly. You should start from here and let us take care of everything in between. Flextronics SBS, innovative manufacturing services.
Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm Electronica 2012, and I'm joined by Iñigo from Ikor. Excuse me. I walked past your booth and I noticed the countries that you are manufacturing in: Spain, Mexico, and China. Interesting footprint. How's that come about?
Well, when we started 30 years ago now, in 1981, we started obviously a Spanish company. That's what we are. And we came from a part of the country that is very industrialized, so we have good companies there, industrial companies, that at some point they decided to start producing abroad. So let's say that we started with them. We went first to Mexico in the mid-90s, and then in 2006 to China. Okay. So we went with them, but then we grow in that country with new customers coming from those same countries, Mexico, China, and European companies that also want to or need to have their production in those countries.
Okay, and you're still manufacturing in Spain?
Yes, still we do. Yes.
Okay, and how do those three environments compare? I mean, a lot of particularly the Americans talk about Mexico as being quite comparable with China in terms of costs, and the infrastructure seems to be quite good. How does that compare for you, and how does that compare with Spain?
In Spain, what we retain is those, as an EMS, we are in the low, medium volume and high mix. And then you can add another feature that is peculiar for the Spanish market, is this complexity. So when there is complexity in the product, for example, we work for the railway industry, there you have very complex boards, so we keep that in Spain, okay? And then Mexico is different from China because there is an NAFTA region, so to produce in Mexico and to sell in the US is very convenient. And then obviously in China we normally keep the high volume and normally with necessities of lower cost.
Okay, and whereabouts in China are you? What part of the country?
Which part? Suzhou is 1 hour from Shanghai.
Okay, very good. And in terms of the kind of markets you're in, you mentioned the railway industry, but are you in generally quite high-tech industries where there's a lot of design?
We are an EMS focused in the industrial electronics, and then within the industrial electronics we do different sectors. We work different sectors. One is railway, as I told you. Then we also work for automotive as a relevant one. We also work for the medical industry. We work for the home appliances, and also we have a good share of our business in the energy sector too.
Okay, and taking automotive as an example, that's quite a heavy regulated, high reliability industry. You have the various approvals in all your facilities?
Absolutely, and not only the standards like TS that we already have, but also our customers. We always said that the hardest or toughest regulation or our certifications are the ones that we get from our customers. So, for example, there is a well-known German company, and we are approved like a Class A vendor for them. Okay. And we did that obviously after going through an audit and then investing, trying to solve the little problems that they found in the way.
Okay, and they, like other customers, are they asking you to manufacture the same products in multiple regions?
Yes.
To satisfy their end users?
Yes, they are. Yes.
Yeah, okay, that makes perfect sense. And last question, we're all aware of the tough economic climate going on in Europe, particularly in Spain.
Yes. Absolutely.
How's that impacted on your business? Are your customers Spanish or are more of them international?
Well, first of all, as I told you, we started growing with customers, Spanish customers. When we went abroad, Mexico and China, our main focus on those areas now are European companies with necessities in these kind of countries for the different reasons. And in Spain, the good thing for us is that most of our customers are important companies that have done the internationalization process with success. So now, although the Spanish economy is not growing, they are growing abroad, and we are growing with them.
And you're able to grow with them. Okay. Sounds very good. Lastly, here in Germany, how's the German market been for you, and how have they responded to you at the show?
Well, the show was very good. I mean, we didn't expect this result, but after 4 days, we can say that we have made very well contacts, quality contacts, not only from German companies, but also from European and even other non-European countries companies. And it's a good market for us. I mean, we have already German customers, and we hope to keep growing that share of German customers.
Okay. Well, thank you for stopping by. I'm so glad you
Thanks
had a good
to you.
show, and I wish you continued success. Thank you.
Thank you.